So now that we know how to create an application and how to test it, it's time to understand how exactly you should upload it to App Store. Now, uploading to App Store is in itself a skill, and you may have to practice a number of times and may come across a number of issues. In this section, we're going to talk about some of those things you might have to deal with. The first thing is to create an app icon. Now, an app icon should be unique, consistent, and comply with the human interface guidelines and the App Store guidelines that you have in the App Store details. Now, every app needs a beautiful and memorable icon that attracts attention in the App Store and stands out on the home screen. You can check the detailed human interface guidelines by going to this link on developer.apple.com. By the way, if you're trying to upload the app to the App Store, you will need a paid account. Now, adding an app icon requires 3 steps. First, you find an image that is at least 1536 pixels in size. Then you create a different sized icons set by using the makeappicon.com or any of other options available online. You can also do it manually if you're good at editing images and using tools like Sketch or Photoshop. The third and final step is to update your app icon.icon set within your application. Let's have a look at the demo. Let's go ahead and search for an icon. Here, I go to the icons8.com and try to find an icon which actually looks like Earthquake. But if I try to download it, you will notice that in the free version, we only get access to 96 pixels of size. So I performed a quick Google search while looking for label for reuse icons with large option, and I found this image. Now again, it is not big enough, but let's save it for the purpose of demo. Now that we have saved the image, let's go to makeappicon.com and select this image that we just downloaded. It's going to take a while it creates the icon set for you, but it's going to actually create a different sizes of the app icon for the iPhone, iPad. I believe every iPhone also has different app icon based on the iPhone size. It's going to ask for the app name. Let's just add Swift 5 for the purpose of it, but you can of course add your own app name. Let's choose entertainment. Now these are the 3 things that they have added recently. In fact, when I used it long time back, it didn't really have all those things. So here you have 2 checkboxes. Do you want to include icons for iWatch? I don't need those. Do you want to subscribe to the newsletter? Not really. And I only need the icons for iOS. And once I have everything, I have to enter the email and subscribe to download. That's not something I wanted to do. Anyways, let's just select this email and try to download it. It has been completed. And it does not give an download option right here. There is an app icon generator app as well that you can download later on. Once you have the icon set, you can add it to Xcode icon set. If you go to Xcode, you will find that there is app icon within the assets.exe assets. If you right click on this file, you will see that there is a new image set option and show in Finder option. If you show it in Finder, you will see the icon set is actually containing the JSON file. This JSON file is going to take in different images and put them for different options over here, like iPhone notification, iPhone settings, Spotlight, etc. Once you have downloaded the package provided by makeappicon or any third party, you can extract it. Within iOS, you will find an existing app icon set. You can select all the files inside, and again, go to the location of the original app icon set and replace the files inside. As soon as you replace the files, in Xcode you will see that the new icon has been added, and since you did not have the required sizes, it seems like one of the app icons could not be assigned. Let's assign it to the App Store. And since the size is not correct, we actually need the 1024 size, which we can actually allocate right over here by going to the desktop. Since we did not have the App Store file, let's try and use the one we downloaded originally. If you check, then we still have a warning because it does not match the actual size. Let's fix this by using the image editor. We use the crop option, and if you move it up and down, you will see that we are actually able to adjust the 1024 width or height. And since the height is 1024, let's try and bring the width to 1024 and click on the crop button. Now this is again just for the purpose of demo, and ideally you should use actual image editor. And as soon as you drop in the correct size, the warning goes away. So that's how you create the app icon set and set it in your Xcode.